BFT Deimos BT A control board, wiring, explained, and connection. Are you confused about BFT Deimos control board wiring? Don't worry. In this video, I will explain every single terminal in a simple and practical way. After watching this, you can wire your sliding gate opener like a professional. Welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. If you are new here, this channel is all about automatic doors, sliding gates, and control board training. So make sure to subscribe and learn professional installation step by step. Safety first. Before starting wiring, always turn off the main power. Use proper tools. Follow safety precautions. Because we are working with 230V power supply. JP1 block. 2 terminals block, a block for main power supply. Let's start with the power supply terminals. L terminal is line. N terminal is neutral. This is your main 220 or 230 volt AC input. Keep main power supply off. JP2 block. 2 terminals block for motor connection. Terminal 10 is motor plus pin. Terminal 11 is motor minus pin. This is where your sliding gate motor connects. That connection factory connected. JP3 block. 2 terminals block for flashing light or blinker. Terminal 20 and 21 output is 24 volt for blinker. This output is used for flashing lamp. Works only when gate is moving. Max load of 1 ampere. JP5 block. 3 terminals block for limit switch wiring. This is already factory connected. These terminals stop the gate automatically at open and close positions. But let's explain to understand. Terminal 41 is plus REF terminal is common. Terminal 42 SWC terminal for closing limit switch. It's NC contact. Terminal 43 SWO terminal for opening limit switch. It's NC contact. Next we will connect external accessories and also explain terminals. Connection of photocell. This is single pair of photocell. This is inside circuit, where we connect power supply and safety of the control board. Terminal 51 is plus 24V DC power supply, and terminal 50 is minus 24 volt DC power supply. This power supply used for accessories like photocells. Connect the power supply to photocell. Now connect safety in the receiver sensor. Terminal 72 is photocell safety. It's NC contact. Work is detects obstacles and stops or reverses gate fully. If you want to install photocell, remove jumper from terminal 72 and connect by wire on receiver photocell. Terminal 70 is common terminal for safety. Connect this also. Now this is photocell connection. Command inputs. Terminal 60 start terminal. And terminal 60 is common terminal. Connect this to terminal in switch. Works in step by step mode. Each press of push button is open, stop, close. Terminal 62 with common terminal 60. Work only opens the gate. Antenna connection. Y terminal is main signal antenna. Hashtag terminal is ground terminal. Connect external antenna for better remote range. Better 433 MHz antenna and RG58 cable. Let's explain the remaining terminals. Terminal 71 is stop terminal. It's NC contact. Working is stops gate immediately. You can install emergency push button. The connection is terminal 71 with common terminal 70. If not used, keep jumper. Terminal 73 is fault 1 terminal. Testing safety device. Terminal 74 is bar terminal used for safety edge. It's NC contact. Working is protects from crushing. Terminal 75 is fault 2 terminal. Testing safety edge. Important tips. Here are some professional tips. Always use jumpers if safety devices are not installed. Check wiring twice before power on. Use proper cable size. Keep antenna away from metal for better signal. If this video helped you understand the BFT Deimos control board, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon.